video, I'm showing you how to make Snakes Alive flavoured marshmallows. Here's a little close-up. How pretty do they look? Now I'm just going to give it a little squeeze test. Nice and bouncy. Here's me eating some. So satisfying. Okay, these are the ingredients you'll need. I'll put a list on the side of the screen for you. You can use any cake tin. I've lined mine with foil and I'm going to spray it with some oil. Now I'm going to bloom my gelatin in water for 15 minutes. While that's blooming, in a saucepan, add your sugar, glucose syrup and water. Bring it to a boil and bring the temperature to 116 degrees Celsius. When it's nearly at the temperature, you start your mixer to mix your gelatin. Start pouring in your sugar syrup slowly. You're going to beat the mixture for 15 minutes. Add the snakes. Once done, put it in your pan. No time for mucking around. Add your snakes on top, corn flour and icing sugar on top. And there you go. How beautiful.